tidy package, a powerless queen. But flames don't break, they burn, they rise, defying expectations, reaching for the skies. They told me to sit still, to hide my spark, but the heat within me, it wouldn't embark. A warmth they couldn't ignore, a blaze they couldn't break, a wildfire raging, calling out my name. Unchained flame burning bright, a wildfire soaring into the night. They tried to quench it, but it wouldn't die. A legacy of defiance, reaching for the sky. Burning bright, a wildfire soaring into the night. They tried to quench it, but it wouldn't die. A legacy of defiance, reaching for the sky. These flames carry tales unspeakable and deep, of those extinguished who couldn't keep. For them I'd burn, a beacon of their light, defying darkness, guiding through the night. Unchained flame burning bright, a wildfire soaring into the night. They tried to quench it, but it wouldn't die. A legacy of defiance, reaching for the sky.